Hey, what's going on, guys? Lawson Custom Offsets here with Junior.
Yo!
And we are doing a this or that today. It's been so long since we've done a this or that. Used to be a banging series. Could be a banging series again if you guys blow this video up.
Share, subscribe, YouTube.
Yeah, let us know down in the comment section below. Yeah, today we're doing a this or that. If you guys need to build your truck out, we got banging deals right now. Tomorrow's Cyber Monday, so that's gonna be crazy. Make sure you take advantage of those deals. Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, customoffsets.com. Top two.
Daily drive a SEMA build on 14 inches of lift, complete 4-link, all chromed, or show truck but only on a leveling kit and 18x9s.
14 inch to the left. Daily drive.
You're gonna daily drive that?
Yes.
In the winter?
Yes.
I gotta go with 11 kit 18x9s and turn that into a show build, because there are some pretty sick overlanding builds that we've seen at SEMA and things like that. I know in Wisconsin winters, that 14 inches of lift and chroming everything, the next spring, it will be completely ruined and you can't fix that.
Yeah, you can.
By re-chroming it all.
Yes. Worth it. You gotta pay to play.
But jumping in and out of a 14-inch lifted truck every day to go to the grocery store, to load your groceries up.
It's literally what I plan to do for my next build.
Oh boy, you need to buy a daily driver.
No. No, you don't. You don't have to buy a daily driver.
Cheaper brand RT tire or expensive brand street tire.
I would go with the cheaper brand RT tire, because there's a lot of really good companies out there that are in the more affordable market. Street tires are great, but even like Nitto and Toyo, some of the top companies out there, people still say that the Nitto 420s get stuck on wet grass when they're like off-road for a show type of thing. And like, there's a lot of really good quality tires out there that are more affordable, that maybe don't have the longevity that like Nitto and Toyo have, but still have good reputability. People have been running them for a couple of years and you can see them and know that they're a good tire. And RTs, you can go through pretty much anything. They look good. It's just a good, solid option.
I think for me, like show truck vibes, it like street tire isn't for me. I think that's more for like the street look. You know, like we just
did
did
the. And you can't go super tall because the tire doesn't get tall too.
Yeah, and we just did like the video down in Florida with Dalton Bertrand at 800 wheel horsepower Cummins, and he was on street tires. Yeah. And
like it, stock suspension.
And right? And like it makes sense for that. But like for me, my look, what I like to do, I think I would like to go with more of an RT, more aggressive. Like, don't get me wrong, Dustin's look pretty fire on like a 4-inch lift. I got used to it, but it's just not something that I would go with. I would go with RT.
Spiked lugs or floating center caps.
I'd probably go with floating center caps. They're just sick. You can customize them to whatever you want them to be. Like whether you want to put your own logo, or whether you want to put like a saying, or whether you want to put like literally whatever you want to do.
Face.
Or even your face.
Like, you can put Lawson's
yeah, like
face,
we can put my face,
specifically Lawson's face,
on the floating center cap. I think that's a hard one, because like spike lugs completely change the look of your wheel setup.
But I think
and they're cheap.
Make a bigger statement.
Yeah, floating center caps make a big statement, but they also make a big statement on your bank statement. They're kind of pricey.
That's a tongue twister, but it's a good one.
Yeah, they're like $1,000.
That needs to be like their slogan, is like, make a statement on your bank statement. Yeah, I'd say the same thing. I mean, spike lugs are an easy mod, and that's the thing, is like if you decide to go the route of floating center caps first, you can always add spike lugs later. You just swap out your lugs one at a time type of thing, and you've got the whole look then. But I'd say, yeah, the big statement that the floating center caps make just kind of helps it stand out a little bit more. When you're like at like parades and things like that, like at LTN, and you're rolling down the road, you can see the floating center caps, especially in the bigger wheels with the bigger hub, and you can just see a giant like logo or whatever. Just cool. I don't know.
7-inch rough country Vertex coilovers or 9-inch ready lift.
I would say probably 9-inch ready lift.
9-inch rough country.
No.
Why? Just because it's taller?
I've driven both. I've driven both, and they both ride very well. Sure, the coilover is probably going to be a better option for you. You know, it's higher tier and all that sort of stuff. But I think I love bigger lifts. I don't know.
Yeah, I go with the coilover just because it's a little bit more flashy. Like there's more adjustability with it for ride quality and everything like that, the dampening and everything. And I don't know, they just look cool. But either one's a good option.
Bodyguard rear bumper or roll pan rear bumper.
I already know what you're going to pick.
Bodyguard rear bumper.
Nuh-uh.
Roll pan.
Yeah, I was gonna say there's no freaking way. I would go bodyguard rear bumper.
Why?
I think roll pan
looks good on everything. Looks clean as shit. Gets the damn job done.
How clean as shit?
I don't know. I feel like roll pan's more like old school, like for you. Like sure, I've seen it on like 3rd gen like Cummins and stuff, but like
and like cat eyes and like any GMT 800 and every like 07 to 13 Silverado. Have you seen them on your old body style truck? They look amazing.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, and they even thought of the fact that your bed sides have weird little dents in the back corner of them because the bumper wraps around, and they made a roll pan that literally fits that and rolls around the sides too to fit it. Looks amazing.
Yeah, but a big aftermarket rear bumper on my 14-inch lifted Super
What are you
Duty.
doing, going off-roading with it? You're gonna bedline it too?
Do you go freaking off-road it with your Bronco?
No.
Has the hustle and bustle of holiday shopping got you down? Nervous that you'll miss deals on your favorite brands? Are you waiting for the perfect deal? Don't worry, Custom Offsets got you covered.
That's right, Custom Offsets has you covered. We got Black Friday deals live right now. There's no fighting for a line at Walmart. There's no fighting Karens. 40,000 wheels, 38,000 tires, so much inventory. And the best part is all this inventory is ready to ship to you guys right now. No wait, CustomOffsets.com.
Morimoto headlights or custom retrofits?
I'm going Morimoto's.
Custom retrofits, even though...
Why? Because you can customize your retrofits, but you could still custom build your Morimotos.
Your Morimotos come in a box and you put them on your truck.
You don't have to. You can undo the
Oh my gosh, how much money do you think I'm made of?
You don't have to. That's all personal.
No, you just buy really cheap OEM clear headlights, and then you go to the retrofitsource.com and buy all of the pieces you need for like $200, and then it breaks halfway. Ironically, look at this, hang on.
See? Exactly.
6 years ago, finally figured out what was wrong with my new headlights and should have a new part coming in soon, and assuming all goes well, color morphing demon eyes will be hooked up tomorrow. Because I had issues, because custom retrofits are a pain in the ass.
Yeah, but have you
good.
seen like custom built Morimotos that look so
Yeah,
like
you
everyone,
can get them done the right way. I did it myself, and I shouldn't have done that.
like
Go to a
everyone
professional.
these days are doing like custom.
They'll take a Morimoto, which already has like
Built.
cooler DRLs.
Yeah.
The Morimotos on the giveaway truck, like when you turn the truck on, like each individual pod goes like boom, 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 boom,
And
then
then
it's
like back up.
yeah, like
it's
just
insane.
little like that is insane. It's dope.
And all you have to do is literally take them apart, paint and match the housings. Like that's why CO2 looks so damn good. Is because like painted housings to match the whole truck, so clean. So like to do that with Morimotos, you already have the upgraded technology with all like the LEDs and stuff, and then to have the paint to match, it looks so fire.
You totally cheated and just took both answers and put them together.
Yeah, I know, I win. Next.
Rock lights and wheel lights or light bars and cubes?
Rock lights and wheel lights.
Same. I think for our style, it makes more sense. I've seen cubes and bumpers look really well. I've seen like light bars look really well.
Like
they
light
can
bars
be
behind
useful.
the grill is
Yeah.
super helpful, or like inside of your bumper if there's an open spot there,
Yeah.
and like cubes for fog lights, it all works well too. But like,
Yeah.
I don't use it as much as I like would or should type of thing.
Yeah.
Like that's a cool thing to add on after the fact when you like
Right.
have more time and want to add that type of stuff. But to stand out right away, wheel lights and rock lights are the move for sure.
I would literally go out cruising just to like go right around town with my rock lights on.
Yeah.
Like it's so fire. It changes the whole aspect of the truck at night and like just makes everyone literally turn their head and be like, what the hell is going on?
Literally
like pulling
UFO
up,
driving on the
yeah,
road.
like pulling up to gas stations when you don't need gas just to show off your rock lights and stuff and like your wheel lights. It's so fire and looks so good, and it's just something that appeals to me more.
MBRP stainless steel exhaust but with no muffler, or stock exhaust with MagnaFlow muffler?
Stock exhaust with a muffler replacement.
I'm torn.
Well, I mean, your Bronco's loud as all.
It has a muffler and it's got stock exhaust.
No, it does not. It has headers.
Yeah, but then it's got stock exhaust after that for 2 inches until the muffler and then it stops. In the past, when I didn't have a loud truck, the MagnaFlow muffler replacement on the stock exhaust was always the easiest move because you get a better sounding exhaust for like $100 because that's
Right.
all it costs for that muffler.
Yeah.
But if you want it to sound loud, you can run like a MagnaFlow or a full exhaust kit with no muffler and just put a literally piece of straight pipe there, and you get a better tone because you got stainless steel and all that fun stuff. But depends on the sound you're going for. I like rumble, and just being obnoxiously loud straight piped all the time gets old fast. So.
Yeah, I think I'm more into like the clean, not obnoxious, not like
Rusty tailpipe.
Yeah, I replaced the rusty tailpipe.
Did you?
Yeah,
Oh,
I had a full exhaust.
that's fair.
Custom Offsets 12-inch lifted giveaway truck or Fitment Industries S2000 giveaway car?
I'd probably say truck just because obviously that's what we're into and that's what we do. S2Ks are so small
Dude, I tried sitting in this thing and my knees literally hit the dash and I couldn't get all the way like into it to try to do anything. Like,
yeah. But to have like massive wheels and tires, to have air ride suspension to air up and down, to have all that, I think like our truck has more air than their car does. And like cars are known to have
I didn't
air.
even think of
And,
that.
like,
And it's decently comfy to drive, I feel like too,
Yeah.
versus like a lowered car. Lowered cars are always like iffy on if it's gonna be good driving quality or not. But
yeah.
yeah, I definitely pick the 14-inch lifted, 12-inch lifted. Well, it's air ride. Pick whatever height you want. 10 to 12 to 14-inch lifted beast mode.
Also, that's like my dream truck back there. So if I could win that,
Dude, what if you won it?
I can't win it. I'm an employee.
Dang. But you could at customhouses.com/giveaway.
Or if you are, for some reason, stumbling across our channel and you're into cars instead,
Like Mark.
yeah, like Mark, hand detailing that S2K, fitmentindustries.com/ maybe giveaway.
Probably the same
It's
thing.
probably the same. Yeah. Okay. Next.
That's what I got. So you can just
And that's all we got for today's video. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you thumbs it up.
beep, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Bing.
Bing bong.
Wheels, tires, suspension, performance, accessories, customhouses.com. We're out. Peace.